Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ribi Gulindari. You can call me Ribi. Dengan NIM 24 12 94 26 dari seksi 24 BB09. I am from the Department of Primary School Teacher Education. This video was made as part of an English course assessment. On this question, I will present material about the sentence constructions. First, we will discuss about sentences. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. In English, a simple sentence consists of a subject plus verb plus possible and object. The sentence structure is sometimes represented as ZVO, subject, verb, and object. Next, what are the parts of a structured sentence? To understand a sentence, you must first understand the clauses which make up a sentence. A clauses is defined as a group of words that contain a subject and a verb. Clauses can be independent or dependent, also known as subordinate. An independent clause contains a subject and a verb and can stand alone as a sentence. Okay, example: the dog ran after the ball. The dog is the subject and run as the verb, and this is an independent clause because it can stand alone and it does not need a complement. A dependent clause contains a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence. A dependent clause needs a complement so that the information conveyed can be conveyed completely. Example: because he likes to play fates. This is example of a dependent clause that begins with a subordinating conjunction, namely because, and the sentence cannot stand alone. A dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunction such as because, that, while, what, while, who, which, talk, if. Example: the dog ran after the ball because he likes to play fates. This is example of dependent clause that gets a complementary sentence. The information conveyed is also complete. This is an example of independent and dependent clause combined with subordinating conjunction, namely because. Next, we will discuss about simple sentence structure. Okay, a simple sentence consists of one independent clause. An independent clause contains a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. For example, the first, I like coffee. I as the subject and like as the verb, and this is an independent clause because it can stand alone and can express a complete thought. Next, compound sentence structure. A compound sentence is two or more independent clauses connected by a conjunction or semicolon. Each of these clauses can form its own sentence. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions: and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so. 7. Example: I finished my homework and I watched a movie. I finished my homework is a dependent clause because it's as a subject, namely I, and verb, namely finish, and status a complete idea. I watched a movie is also an independent clause because it It has a subject, namely I, and a predicate, namely watch, and can stand alone. The two are connection by the conjunction and, which show the relationship of adding ideas. Example sentence that use semicolons: or car breakdown, we come last. Or car breakdown is an independent clause and we come last is an independent clause. Both are included in independent clause and are connection by a semicolon. Okay, next we will discuss about complex sentence structure. A complex sentence consists of an independent clause plus dependent clause. A dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunction or relative pronoun and contains a subject and a verb but does not express a complete thought. Here are some common subordinating conjunctions. As because, before, how, is, once, since, then, the, that, after, although, till, until, when, where, whether, while. Here are 5 basic relative pronouns: that, which, who, whom, whose. An independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence, and a dependent clause cannot stand alone. Example: we missed the plane because we were late. We missed the plane's an independent clause because it contains as the subject and the misses as the predicate, and it can stand alone. Because we were late is dependent clause because it begins with the subordinating conjunction because and cannot stand alone. This is dependent clause explains the reason for the independent clause. The reason why it is included in a complex sentence is because it consists of one independent clause and one dependent clause that dependent on it. Okay, next, this is the last one. We will discuss about the structure of complex compound sentence. A complex compound sentence consists of at least 2 independent clauses and 1 or more dependent clauses. Example: we were tired but we keep working because the deadline was near. We were tired is an independent clause. The subject is we and the predicate is were tired and can stand alone and can convey a complete idea. Then we keep working is an independent clause, can stand alone and can convey a complete idea, and these 2 independent clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction, namely by. While dependent clause is because the deadline was near, which begins with a subordinating conjunction, namely because, and also the sentence cannot stand alone. The first and second clauses are connected by the coordinating conjunction but to form a compound sentence. The third clause is attached to the second clause to explain the reason why we keep working, forming a complex sentence. Baiklah, sekian dari saya tutup. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.